Variables in Python. A variable is like a storage box. It keeps something you want to use later, like a name, number, or message. Want to store a name like Bill? Just write first_name equals Bill. Let's understand how to create a variable. You can create a variable in just 3 easy steps. Step 1. Write the variable name, first_name. Step 2. Add the equal sign. Step 3. Add the value inside quotes. This stores Bill inside the variable named first_name. Printing a variable. Once you've stored something in a variable, you can show it using print. Here's how you can print a variable in Python. First_name equals Bill. Print first_name. When you run this, the output will be Bill. Multiple variables. You can store different values in separate variables and print them one by one. Let's create 2 variables and print them one by one. First_name equals Bill. Last_name equals Gates. Print first_name. Print last_name. When you run this, then the output will be Bill Gates. Notice, each print shows one variable per line. Can you think of how we can print both variables on the same line? Joining variables. Use the plus operator to join 2 variables. This is how you can join 2 variables using plus. First_name equals Bill. Last_name equals Gates. Print first_name plus last_name. When you run this, then the output will be Bill Gates. But there's no space between the names. Can you think of how we can add a space? Joining variables with space. To add a space, just put quotes with a space between the variables. Let's see how we can write this in code. First_name equals Bill. Last_name equals Gates. Print first_name plus space plus last_name. When you run this, then the output will be Bill Gates. Now it looks clean and readable. Beyond just names, variables can store anything, like names, numbers, messages, or more. You've learned a lot. Time to test it with a quick quiz.